Show you how to make dairy-free mashed potatoes with optional cheese topping. You'll need 3 large russet potatoes, half a cup of plain cashew yogurt, half a cup of grated Colby cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Peel and chop your potatoes into half-inch cubes. Boil potatoes in salted water until tender, 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 375. Test the potatoes for tenderness with a fork. When they're ready, go ahead and strain them and then return them back to the pot. Then add your plain yogurt, salt and pepper, and mash it up. Once it's mashed to a good consistency, put it in an 8x8 Pyrex. Add the cheese to half of the mashed potatoes for those cheese lovers. Then into the oven for a second bake. 375 for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Easy to make and delicious! Thanks for watching your favorite running channel, Run the Dish.